Today, guys, as you see, I will be trying to do a Lamborghini sound with a beer can. I'll be trying my best. Oh well, here we go. Well, guys, I did mighty good so far. I want to see can I make some more car sounds. Right now, I'm not that good like making any other car sounds. Still learning. I'm gonna keep it up. I'm just gonna make some more videos though. Anybody else want to join? Y'all can hit me up on my YouTube. Type in Dwayne Bird. Y'all see a seahawk sign. It's shaped like a Superman sign, right? Add me, and I add you back. Finna start back hitting the Lamborghini sounds. Hopefully, I'll be doing my video. I'll be finished after a while. Anybody want to join me? Just come up with me. Here we go. Well, guys, that's it for today.